Imagine an underground pyramid so massive it could power civilizations, buried under Alaska, and the military's known since 1992. Sounds wild, right? Let's test the claim and follow the evidence. Here's the hook. A nuclear test in China in 1992 sends seismic waves across the Pacific. Analysts in Alaska pick up a weird echo. Some say they backplot it to a spot west of Denali, overlay the traces, and boom, there's a four-sided silhouette, like a 700-foot pyramid a half-mile down. Then, allegedly, it gets classified within hours. That's the story. But what does the science say? Declassified data from the University of Alaska Fairbanks shows an anomaly detected. Yes, but around 2,700 kilometers deep. That's in the mantle, not anywhere near the surface. And it didn't look like a pyramid. So the clean cinematic version? It doesn't match the published seismic evidence. So why won't this die? It starts with one whistleblower. A physicist who claimed a classified broadcast reported a giant structure under Alaska. Over time, the tale evolved. No tomb, no temple. An ancient power plant. A megalithic energy transceiver that might still be humming. It's a compelling narrative. Mystery, military, megastructure, but there's still no verified physical proof. Now layer in the Alaska Triangle. Anchorage Juneau Utqiagvik has a reputation: missing planes, strange lights, cryptids. In 2025, a regional flight vanished near Nome and was later found with no survivors. Tragic, and it reignites speculation. But speculation isn't causation. The simplest explanation is geography. Alaska is enormous, rugged, and unforgiving. Glaciers hide building-sized crevasses, caves, and blue ice mazes that can swallow metal whole. Weather flips fast. Navigation gets tricky. Many disappearances likely rest in terrain that buries and preserves secrets. So where does that leave Project Alaska? With two realities. One, there are intriguing claims about seismic echoes, classified files, and a black pyramid under remote ground. 2. The best public data points deep in the mantle and away from anything pyramid-shaped near the surface. Both can't be true as stated. If there were a surface-adjacent structure that big, we'd expect multiple converging lines of evidence, independent seismic solutions, gravity anomalies, magnetics, borehole logs, satellite interferometry shifts. Right now, we don't have that convergence. But I get the pull. The unknown is addictive. If you want clarity, chase primary sources. Raw seismograms, UAF releases, peer-reviewed analyses. Ask, where's the data? Can others replicate it? What would we predict, and do we see it? Here's my take. The story survives because it sits at the crossroads of tragedy, terrain, and secrecy. Planes vanish for reasons we understand. Weather, geography, human factors, even when answers are hard to recover. And classified will always spark imagination. So, hidden megastructure or urban legend? Right now, the mantle anomaly is real. The near-surface pyramid isn't. If new, verifiable data appears, I'll be first in line to change my mind. Until then, respect the mountains, respect the science, and keep your curiosity sharp. If you learned something, tap like, and tell me, what evidence would convince you either way? End of story. At least for today. One more thing. Remember the early broadcast claims. Keep asking for sources. Extraordinary claims need extraordinary data.